Hey guys, welcome to YachtSpecsDirect. Today we're going to show you the incredible Lagoon 60. Now we had the opportunity to tour this yacht at the Cannes Yacht Festival, and I got to tell you, we were blown away. Now there are some on-market and off-market opportunities as well as new build slots available, so we wanted to make a quick overview video. You can find additional information by going to YachtSpecsDirect.com. Again, that's YachtSpecsDirect.com. We do have two bonuses for you today. The first is the complete yacht buying guide that'll take you through the full process on how to purchase a yacht like this. That's available complimentary at YachtBuying101.com. The second bonus we have at the end of the video, so stay tuned. We are looking for VIP buyers. Let's jump into the tour and let us know your thoughts and comments down below.
Okay, this is the Lagoon 60. It's the new model that was just released this year. And it's definitely getting a bit crowded here at the show right now. You get these nice fold-out wings here. And really what a lot of the boats are doing now is they're opening up the stern area on the boat. So with the fold-out wings and the longitudinal seating, and then the level platform there, you see you got basically an infinity view out. So it's a theme that we're seeing the sailing boats take from the powerboat side of things. So there you got the nice passerelle, and you got your platform. Here you have direct access on the starboard side to the owner's cabin. And then one of the real nice bonus features is your galley area that you have the port side aft. So again, on the Lagoon 60, since this is a brand new model, this is one of the innovation features that they're seeing as being very popular. So beautiful hull side windows, nice big refrigerator, storage, cooktop, everything that you need. Induction microwave. So this is the galley. So a really popular feature is having a combination of the huge window and then the forward door here. Really popular to have access to this forward cockpit. They do have the day beds there that have a lounging feature on either side, and then the four peaks are the crew cabins. As you can see, this is really nice to pass through and have all this ventilation straight through the boat into the salon. And then we're going to go starboard forward. So starboard forward, beautiful view out to the water. And then this is our nice ensuite here with the hatch and a shade. And then the electric toilet there. So very nice. Really deep hanging lockers here. So plenty of storage on board. See from the aft-facing galley there, you get this nice L-shaped settee. And then with this window open here, you really get a beautiful breeze through. And then we're gonna go port side. Midship, we have two singles. And these have a ensuite. And this ensuite also functions as the day head here. So this is port forward. And then, sorry, that's port midship. This is port forward here. A thwart shift berth. And it's hanging locker. And then dedicated ensuite. This looks at the galley. And then we are going to go starboard aft. Here's this beautiful master here. Again, on this master, this has the exterior access door there. So great if you're swimming and you want to get straight to the shower. And then beautiful sink basin, lovely dressing area with storage. And then you'll have a deep locker here. And a head toilet compartment.
Cookies, plate too.
Yeah, definitely. Hot. And then this is showing the exterior plancha with 2 steps down here. Again, you got these nice fold-out wings now, and you'll see the access all the way across. So it really is bringing a lot of the motor yacht feel here to the catamarans. So just another shot here of the transom on the new Lagoon 60. The beautiful flybridge, a little crowded up there today, but we do have some vertical pictures that we'll show.
On behalf of myself, Tony, and the rest of the team at Minted, thank you so much for checking out the Lagoon 60. If you're in the market for a boat like this, please feel free to reach out at the information below. Now, again, you can reach all the complete specifications at YachtSpecsDirect.com, and we promised you a second bonus, so let's jump in. The second bonus that we have today is access to our brand new series. Now, what this is, it's a 10-step guide. So for the first 10 people that register for the how-to guides, we're going to send you these specific modules. Now, these are really great because they help you through the buying process as far as how to select the right yacht, how to buy with crypto, how to survey the boat, how to finance it, how to get insurance, as well as the full process to actually close on a transaction. So we wanted to break this down to individual modules. The first 10 people that reply to this video can get access to these how-to guides. Request those by going to yachtbuying101.com. Once again, that's yachtbuying101.com for exclusive access. Thanks for joining us at Yacht Search MLS. Again, you can get specifications for any of these boats by going to YachtSpecsDirect.com. Be on the lookout for the next video and maybe exactly what you're looking for. For additional information, please feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com. Also, feel free to text me at 404-805-9819.